is really scary. I do not like this elevator. It's really wiggly. Hello. So today I am here in the wheelie thing. I don't know what it's called. And it's really fun. So I decided to go alone without my mom. Because last time I went with my mom, and so I want to go by myself now.
Because we want to.
Who are you with?
You see the moon. I'm here with me, my mom, which is filming, my uncle, and my cousin.
Is it fun?
It's really fun. Thanks for that question, Mom. It's pretty fun. All you gotta do is just slide down with the wheel.
Okay.
This is really scary. I do not like this elevator. It's really wiggly. It's so scary, right? No.
Okay, let me get on my tire. Okay, let me go on my tire. Oh, it's gonna be a little scary, but my mom says I have to be brave. Well, this is pretty high, and I don't know if I want to do it. So let me just get ready. Let me go in 5, 4, 3. I'm getting excited. 3, 2, 1, and why am I not sliding down? Okay, this is weird. Okay, maybe I'm just stopped for a little while or just 2. Oh, okay, here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh no. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh my god. Oh. This is really nice.
So guys, that was Big Bear, and we had so much fun. Like, we went on the snow and played together there, and we went on the mountains, which was my favorite part. And we opened up some presents in the snow, which was really, really fun. We had a snow wars. And so if you want more videos like this of family trips or gaming or creativity, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and comment if you have any questions. Peace.